All right, everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can do the this code of this project. In this code, actually, you see that the cat is also changing its color as well as is also changing its position, which we call the costume. So let's do the code for this. So we have the cat over here. So what we want is we want to change its color and also change its costume or the position. So for the start, we will drag this when flag is clicked, and also you note that whatever we are doing, it is doing in a forever condition. So you will also need a forever loop like this, and then it's basically changing its color and the costume or the position. So let's go to the looks, and there you will find next costume, and also here we have the change color effect by 25. So once I click on this, it's now working, but it's so fast that it's doesn't look that good. So I'll go to the controls one more time, and I'll bring the one weight of here. So now you will see that this is the same way it's working. So basically you can use the change in color effect and the next costume to make something that even gets the thinking of changing the costume and changing its position. So yeah, this is it from this video. See you in the next one.